Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am out and about, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So I actually need a few dish towels. I brought a few, but they're already dirty. These are so pretty, but you don't get as many as this. And then I wanted to show you guys, these are so pretty. If you are a blue lover, for $6.44, that's a really good deal. I have a few decorative ones up here, and I thought these are so adorable, especially for summer. So you get the 2 pot holders. These are more like a tea towel, but it's got the honeycomb. It's a good deal. They also have it in the softer dish towels. So combination, you get the honeycomb, a couple yellow, and the black and white for 10. They also have this one with the lemons. It's super cute. It comes in the pack for $6.44, and also the decorative towel for 96 cents, but I have to show you guys what's over here. So Pioneer Woman has some cute dish towels out. I think that one's really cute. And a few of the, so this is called Spicy Cowgirl. This one is Sweet Rose. So you get a tea towel, a oven mitt, and a pot holder. And then they've got the mini mitts and a couple of prints. Some more dish towel packs down here. I don't think these are super new, but I haven't seen this before. It's really cute. Biscuits and gravy. Get a few prints, and then in the butterfly. They've got a few new items in the dish area. They have this is like a ceramic looking, but it's actually melamine, so that's interesting. They also have some new Pioneer Woman in the melamine, and then I was noticing this. It's a really cute little tray. I think that one is $6.88. This might be the largest Walmart I have ever been in. I'm completely distracted and enjoying being out shopping again. These are so cute. Little sauce dippers, so they have it in the white. So I am in love with this set of dishes. I was hoping to find a bunch of the coffee mugs, but only one of them. So it's by Better Homes and Gardens. It's sort of a stone looking beige. They do have it in the set down here for $40. I'm completely smitten with the whole wood vibe. This is a really good price at 20 bucks. I think this one is super heavy, so it's 30. It's kind of like a tray, and I kind of really want this. It is a salt and pepper chamber for $6. Also have a wood pedestal, really pretty, for $19.94. So I'm looking for a few candles, and I need to pick up some baking soda because the house just smells really new. I noticed these. Now I know they're for incense, but that'd be a cute little container for like earrings or something. And then they have a bunch of new things from Better Homes and Gardens. I love the oil diffusers. This one I really, really like. It's a little pricey, but I am gonna keep my eye open for it. If you have used the Better Homes and Gardens scents, will you let me know which ones you really like? They have so many scents to choose from, and I tend to like things that are really clean smelling. Maybe Tranquil Garden. That's a really good price, I think, for an oil refill. I'm also gonna give a try to the Better Homes and Gardens. They're considered aromatherapy sprays. They just smell really strong. There's one at the Walmart closest to my house that I don't think they have here, but I don't know if you guys use these. If you have, let me know. So I think we might be in trouble because this Walmart has some amazing decor things I've never seen where we used to live. So they do have some side tables for $50. Lots of little signs. This is cute. Not a bad price for $9. Now this is an entire piece for $15. This is so pretty, and I really like the oval mirror. That one's only $12.87, so pretty good. And then I don't know why, but I love stuff like this. $20. I also really like the fact that they have some lamps. Looks like those side tables come in white. And I believe all of this collection is Better Homes and Gardens. Love the Hello Pillow for $15. This is a really cool idea. They kind of put corrals on the pillows at this store. So this is actually a 2-pack for $15.87. I love that. I'm also really liking these. Love this. Man, if there was just an unlimited budget and all the time in the world, I think I would spend it at Walmart. So I have to say, this Walmart's pretty amazing. They sell lawnmowers and flooring. So that's not something I've ever seen before. They have all kinds of different flooring to choose from. Lots of vinyl tiles, even some faux wood vinyl planks. And I might be getting in a little bit of trouble. It's just out in Garden. And I love these. So I got 2 of them to put my succulents in. So we are gonna have to get some hardware for our cabinets. I'm looking at these. I'm gonna have to do some measurements, but that's a pretty good deal. You get 6 for $18. They have a few different versions and they're all from Better Homes and Gardens. So you guys, I'm having trouble. One of our kids has a hard time keeping the floor dry no matter what we do in the shower. Oh, that's so pretty. So I was just looking for a really good set of mats for the bathroom. This one's really pretty, but it's almost like I need a squeegee or a sponge after he's done. So if you have any tips, let me know. They also have this one by Better Homes and Gardens. So it's a 2-pack for $20. And it's sort of an oatmeal color. I think it's so pretty. I have to say, Better Homes and Gardens is kind of doing a great job. They have hand towel sets, so these are $15. And then they have the curtains up here that are a lot higher end looking, and they do come with the clips as well. This one has the little pom-poms on it. So when I was in hardware, I found these suction cups, and I think this one is maybe, I want to say $3 for the 2-pack. They also have a 6-pack in a few different sizes, and that one is $6.97. So I do need something to keep our sponge on in our sink. Okay, let's play a little game I always play at the store. How much do you think this should cost? To answer your question, it should not cost that, but that is the price. So I'm finding with a large island, I kind of need one of these. This is a really good deal. So you get like ice trays, some cups, some bowls, the strainer, and then it comes with the drainer tray on the bottom, and it's only $7.42. But I think this one's a lot prettier. It is $7.98. Do you guys usually use a drying mat? I never had enough counter space to use one of these before, so I'm trying to figure out which one I would prefer. So I'm also thinking about organization in our pantry, because as soon as we get our fridge and stuff, I'm gonna do a big trip to Costco. Now these are wash tubs, but they're so large. I think these would make great bins for inside of a pantry. And then I'll show you guys another bin that I'm considering. So these are $132. They're a nice rectangle, and I think that's going to make things fit in the pantry really well. It's a little bit cheaper than these, but these are all on the kitchen aisle. I think these are good prices. I also really like the clear ones, so I'm trying to figure out where the best place is to buy a bunch of bins to organize the pantry. So on the bakeware aisle, I'm thinking about getting a deep, sort of like a cake pan, and I was looking at this. This is so pretty. It's a little cakelet pan from Pioneer Woman, and it looks like there's different shapes. That one looks more like a rose. This one's $20 though. She also has a square cake pan and a round. So I think this would be another great option for organization, because it's not the typical tub that we see that's kind of this looking on the end with the handle. it's really wide actually. So 98 cents, comes in a few colors, and I think those would be great in a pantry. So guys, this is officially the best Walmart I think I've ever been to. This is like the craft aisle. This is new, I haven't seen that before for 10. And the reason I say that is there's a wedding section. So I know this looks like Michael's, but it is Walmart. They have an entire bridal section back in their craft area. This is crazy. We've got a little card box. I have never in my life been to a Walmart like this. They have one of the little letter boards for 10, little wifey cup, bridesmaids. This is insane. This reminds me of the section that I've seen at Michael's. Never seen anything like it at a Walmart before. They even have chargers. Okay guys, we're gonna go back here because I think this is a dollar section in Walmart. I've never seen that before. And they do have some super cute party wear for the 4th of July. Thought it was gonna be Pioneer Woman, but it's not. Definitely has her look. So if you are entertaining this 4th of July, you may wanna check them out. These are so super cute. They even have the silverware. So I don't know if everything's necessarily as cheap as the dollar spot, although it's gotten pretty pricey recently too. These are definitely kind of like seasonal things. So they have the little fingertip towels. Those are $3. This is so cute in the pink with the lemons. $5. They have it in a lemon and gingham. Lots of little things for the kitchen. Some little $3 trays, sweet summertime. I also have it in a dark blue and a red, and then it looks like a different blue. Family, Friends, and Freedom. I have some makeup sponges, little platter for $3, little zester, and then they have the silicone cubes, silicone covers, and a lot of things for the 4th of July. Looks like most things are $1 to $3. This is so fun. I have never seen a Walmart with a little section like this. So for $3, they have the little photo holders. It comes in Oh My Star. And the dark blue, that's really cute. And then red, white, and blessed. And then looks like these are $5 for a 2-pack. So I'm not sure if they just kind of gather their seasonal items over here, but it definitely has a dollar spot feel. So maybe they are going to give Target Dollar Spot a run for their money. Got some little banners for entertaining. It's really cute. Let's eat. They even have, okay, this has definitely got to be the Target Dollar Spot section for Walmart, because I'm finding more decor items, some fanny packs. They even have some stuff for back to school. Some little decor signs. We have little canned floats in a few different colors. This towel stakes. We have some scented candles and a votive holder. Have it in a couple of seashells. And then some acrylic stemware. This one says relax, relax, relax. I have one that says off duty mermaid. And then a couple little signs for $3. Lake time and happiness comes in waves. This is going to be quite a trek for me, but I'm definitely going to be coming back to this Walmart. This is a really fun little section. Chillin' and grillin'. We've got a little barbecue sign. It looks like those are all $5. some hats down here. And then it is a scraper. Then they just have like fast grab toiletries, some tissues and things. They even have little DIY sun catchers, some beauty sponges, a light up photo garland. These are really cute little pencil cups and pouches over here. And then down here they have some socks, some workout bands. So these are the stretchable weights for $5. They have pencil cups, some little chalkboards, some pencil holders, and then these fun little poppers for the 4th of July. And what's this? This is a hand crank fan. That's fun. Some super cute little erasers. These would be adorable cupcakes for American Girl dolls. And then if you turn, it goes into all the back to school stuff. So they have the little sandwich holders. They have some journals in a few different versions. And then they have rounders. This is kind of like some lip balm, some nail polish, really cute little cosmetic bags. That little watermelon is so cute. One in a melon. Phone holders, water bottles, and everything over there is $5. And over here they have some towels. They also have some bandanas. This one looks like Pioneer Woman. This would be fun for maybe a dog. 4th of July. Some mitts and some dish towels. Some fun little napkins for barbecuing. And then some little ice pop makers. So it's a pretty good size section, as you can tell. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Walmart. Now to check out, get home, and look forward for a haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.